Hey YouTube, Never-Ending Student here. Very short little tip for, I guess I just wanted to share how I typically do connectors and what I've set up to be able to do it in the field. So I previously made a video of, this was the power adapter for my little LED ring light that goes on my, that magnifier right there. So it's just a 12 volt adapter, and I have a 12 volt rail up there. So when I put these connectors on, I'm kind of excessive. Like, I set it up in this, and then I'll crimp it, and then I'll put a little solder and flow the solder in there to get that wire thoroughly electrically bonded to that fork. And got a little heat shrink there. And then is take a little low temperature hot melt glue. You don't even need the glue gun. It's actually less wasteful without it. Light your lighter, heat this up, and you just take it and you shove it down around into the connector. And then when it's partially cooled, you just go and pinch it and form it. And you get these nice, let's see if we can, yeah, these nice sealed connections. They just have hot glue shoved down in them and soldered connection on the other end. Thought I'd share.